Hi there. What if building a professional form took less time than making your coffee? No plugins, no code, no monthly subscriptions just to remove a logo. If you've ever felt like form builders were built for developers, not you, this is for you. Meet GS2Web SaaS by GSheetPress, the fastest way to turn a Google Sheet into a beautiful mobile-ready form. Watch this. Step 1. Open any Google Sheet with GS2Web SaaS installed. Step 2. Go to Extensions and hover on GS2Web SaaS, then Form and click New Form. Step 3. Name your form. Click OK. Step 4. Tell it how many input fields your form has. I filled 3 input fields. Don't worry, you can add more anytime. Step 5. And just like that, your form structure is built. Want to customize? Just rename Label 1 to your real input field, right there in column A. That's it. You're editing a spreadsheet, not fighting software. Now copy the embed code and paste anywhere. All data will be saved on the Google Sheet. In the time it took to read this sentence, you could have a live, mobile-friendly form, collecting real responses straight into the sheet you already know how to use. Creators, coaches, small business owners, they're not wasting hours on form builders anymore. They're using the tool they already have, Google Sheets. Stop overpaying for complexity. Your next form is minutes away. Get GSheetPress now at GSheetPress.com and launch your first form today.